Welcome back everyone, this is Kenetchi Arts and I do character designs and illustrations from the famous characters in comics, anime, and cartoons. And if that's your kind of thing, consider being part of this channel and together, we can grow and improve our artistic skills. Okay, so for this video guys, it will be very special because I'll be making something beautiful, something that will spread positivity and optimism to each and every one of us. Okay, so since it is October 1, okay, it is a perfect opportunity to start the month with gratitude. Yes, gratitude, being thankful on what we have and appreciate everything that's been given to us. Okay, so what I'll be doing in this video is to transform my dog. Okay, I will show you her picture because she's sleeping right now, so I'll be showing you her picture. Okay, so that's her, and I will transform her into a female human being. Yeah, so I will take pointers from the characteristics, from her own characteristics, and implement those design aspects to the character. Okay, so this will be a traditional thing in this channel guys. So each month, at the first day of each month, I'll be drawing this character that I'll be making today to symbolize gratitude and being thankful on what we have, not only for me but to those of you who are watching this video. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so here guys are the references that I'll be using for the illustration that I'm trying to make, and you can see there are beautiful faces of women here, which could be the best representation of Alexa's face, because Alexa is the embodiment of gratitude and positivity. So here are the references that I'll be using later, and then as you can see there are clothings that kind of reminiscent to a dog's fur, so which can be very helpful in portraying the transformation of my dog. So other than that, I'll be working now on the sketch and the line work. Okay, so I'll get back to you guys. Welcome back. So I'm done now with the line work. So what I'm thinking here is I've transformed my dog into a female human being, which is Alexa. So the characteristics that are kind of similar to hers is the eyes. Okay, so the eyes, so my dog's eye is blind, so I make sure to make Alexa's left eye kind of blind. Okay, so and the next thing is her hair. So I made this hair, bulk of hair, in this ways. Okay, which kind of represents the ear. And then my dog have a bulk of hair here in this part. Okay, so I kind of take note of that and input that here in Alexa. Okay, and in terms of composition, I make sure that when you look at Alexa's face here, after you look at her, you will go right into my dog. Okay, so everything will fall into place. For example, the hand kind of frame the dog, and then the other hand kind of direct you into its face. Okay, so other than that, I will proceed to the flattening of colors and the shading. So while I'm flattening my colors, I'll be using lasso tool and the paint bucket. Okay, so I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so now I'm done with the flat layer or the flat colors, and I've also added the shading here. So the one tip that I want to share to you guys, especially when you are shading, is that if you want to know if your shading is right and fall into place, okay, and it's gonna have the 3D look, so you will just have to turn off the line work, and it's up to you if you want to turn off the flat layer, I mean the flat colors, and you can see, as long as you can see all the shadings, okay, that's the point. So as you can see, if there is no line work and there are no colors and all you can see are the shadings and it looks right, okay, so if it looks right, it looks 3D to you, and then you're good. Okay, so that's the thing that I'm always doing, especially when I'm done shading the character. Okay, that's how I check my work. Okay, so now since I'm done with the shading and the flat layer, flat colors, so now I'll be proceeding with the adjustments. Okay, so this is the part where I bring the life of the characters. Okay, so here I've added color balance. So color balance unite all of your colors so doesn't look well apart from each other, so it's well balanced. Okay, then the great thing that I want to do when I'm done putting a color balance in all of my illustration is to put gradient maps. So gradient maps helps you control all of your colors and help you avoid the muddy colors. Okay, so and then after that I made adjustments, okay, and the lighting. Okay, so I will do that in the time lapse now, so I'll get back to you guys with the final illustration. Back everyone, so now I'm done with the illustration and I really like it. I hope you guys do, and I think I did a really good job in embodying gratitude and optimism in Alexa's character. And for this illustration, if you have any questions regarding to the process on how I made it, feel free to ask me and I'll do my best to answer all of your questions. Okay, so I just want to share to you this thing, guys. So here's my dog and she's having cold and cough in the past few days, and the reason that pushes me to create this kind of video to spread gratitude and optimism to each and every one of us, because life is too short. We can die now, later, and it's very important to appreciate everything that we have. Let's take time to know and appreciate and be grateful to everything, right? Especially to the people that we love, and even pets, right? So let's be grateful, and it's all about perspective, guys. If you will look the world in a very bad place, you will feel very bad to yourself. So I suggest, why not look it in a good way, right? Let's take a look at positivity and optimism, and let's be grateful to each and every one of us. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. be grateful. Bye.